Michael Bosick here with 217dent.com. We have some damage here on the passenger fender. The customer said it is a hit and run. However, he wishes to maintain as much original on this vehicle as possible. This is the original factory paint. Absolutely gorgeous vehicle. Trans Am Grand National. He's won multiple shows with it. So we're going to perform the paintless dent removal on this fender, and I'm in the process of removing the headlight right now and getting that stuff out of the way so we can start moving some metal. Alright, what we got here is we got a large dent here that we are just straightening this dent up to get it ready for the paint shop. This is a very, very, very nice vehicle, near mint condition.
You've done a great job.
Alright guys, this is Michael Bosick. We're finished up here. We got to put the
Let me look back from the back. Boy, I think you've done a really good job. Yeah, it's a wonderful life I've had serving the Lord. No regrets. Enjoying every minute of it.